Mitzi, come now before the people them come. Jesus Christ. Look how you nearly make we get catch. You take the whole of the people them clothes and put in your body. You're going to a place with body. Jesus, that was close, see? You're not going to a store with body. You roll up the whole of clothes them and put in your body. God know if me would have get catch. God know. I can't believe. Petty, and me tell you this. Anyhow, me did go to jail for you today. When me see you back, me must thump out about your teeth them. As there is a God. You see it, you stop on my case again. You stop on my case. I want to you. No, me not really in a good mood. I just happen, you know. You talk about in the mood. You better change your mood. You go like you're not yourself today. What go on? This man I get on my nerves. What am I doing, man? You know, so this man not do nothing for me there, America. I can't bother with you sometime, God know. No, for real, this man not do nothing for me there, America. Me not have my papers. Remember, say me not have my papers, you know. Me there 15 years and the man help me all now. He me do nothing for you? From me there, America, me just do my thing. Me just work, do my thing, make my money take care of my youth them. He me do nothing for me. So hold on there. Stick up in, hold on, let me ask you something. From you there, America, this man not do nothing for you and you're there with this man for 15 years. That not sound right to me. So you mean me stay with a man for 15 years and me, what do you mean? No, me just tell you it not sound right. Because you come from Jamaica. You come to America, so you do. You come to America and just get your one place and everything, or you go live with him. No, me cheat on him like 7 times. You know what I mean? But that not say you can still help me come here, your baby mother. Oh. Okay. 2 of my friends them tell him go suck him mother, but so what? Now his mother help me get my social and them thing. I remember me come in here for the farm work visa. You remember? Yeah, me just overstay the visa. And his mother carry me go get my social and everything. But that not say. So his mother carry you go get social. He may do nothing for me. Me not have a social. Yeah, me did live in my house for 15 years, yes. So him pay the rent and them thing there. No, well, him a pay the rent and them thing there, and you know. Oh. No, him is a deadbeat. Him is a deadbeat. May I tell you a deadbeat? Me pay the cable bill, right? And I'ma put groceries in the fridge. I'ma carry you them go to school every morning. Me not supposed to do that. Him supposed to do everything. Remember say me have a daughter, you know. We on a fee money, you know. And me never know who for youth, you know. Because them time them did outer road and turn bad. But what me I say, my youth did there Jamaica and bring my youth come America, you know. Pan female link. And him pay half of the money and my sister pay the next half. But him not do nothing for me. Him bring up your daughter from Jamaica. Okay. I'm ready for go home because me not like how you talk. Trust me. Oh, you don't sound like my friend. You're supposed to be against him. You sound ungrateful. I'm God know I want to thump you for the man. What you talk about the man that do nothing for you? So oh you just survive in a foreign, sir? Eh? Mitzi, me not love how you take side. God know you take side. You sound ungrateful and unappreciative. If me did have somebody like that, me would have out your teeth nothing. And what do you? People like who get chance to come to America and waste out of the time, you know? God know. You need to send back yourself and make some of the people in Jamaica get a chance. Because if them get even 2 weeks, they make the best out of it. And me and your friend. So you tell me, say, you cheat on the man 7 times, him catch you? Like him know about the cheating? And him a do nothing for you? Jesus Christ, people like you know wicked. Petty and you're my friend, but God know you got born in hell. I swear. And I say me and the boy are friend. You understand? But right is right and fuckery is fuckery. I mean I stand for fuckery. So you can stay there and talk anything you want to talk. I don't care. Missplit justice. You think me are something? Yes, girl. We're going to tell you, say you right, and oh, you feel burn him, and you're right, and trust me, that boy they not fit ray, and that boy they not fit here. Me not depend that. Me gonna tell you say fuck where you going with. If me can't tell you that, me and you no friend. Let's go. Man should have boxed out the whole of your teeth there, man. That him should have do. So what you plan for do now? You gonna left the man, what you gonna plan for do? Eh? You gonna find a man where you gonna marry you? Eh? And fuck the man and gonna fuck out your wall. Me tired of that. Me tired of the fuck for free business. Me tired of that. I mean, I want your money neither, sir. I want to straighten out myself. Okay? That me want. Me don't know about you, no. You see how you hear time bad? Me drag you down the road for it. You're supposed to be against him. No, sir. You're a wicked girl. Me not lie. You're wicked. You're wicked. Trust me, you're wicked. If I me thump up all your so. Alright, that's all. Me just thump up the same place non-stop. Just thump it. Just thump it. You need to thump yourself too and get some sense in your head.